Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you a very exciting math addition tricks. So definitely it's going to blow your minds and you will enjoy these tricks and it's really a very fun type of math tricks. So now I'm going to tell you today three important addition tricks that's really helpful and it is like brainstorming. Here the first trick is when you'll be given 10 numbers in sequence, 10 number will be given to you and you will be asked to find the sum of these 10 numbers. For example, let's suppose you are given the 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, for example. Okay, so when you add these numbers from 2 to 11, then what could be the sum of these numbers? It's difficult, right? You have to use calculator probably. But without calculators, within 1 to 3 seconds, you could do it, the answers. So can I show you what could be the right answer? Within 1 second, I can write it. The answer will be 65. So you will be wondering, hello, how do you find 65? Is it really? I think you might be thinking that you might have remembered. Okay. So next question, maybe if it will be given to you like this. Okay. Let's say 106 and then 107, 8. Then in this way, the number will be given, for example, let's. Okay. And then so on. 114 and 115, for example. What is the sum of this number? If you count, this will be 10 numbers, right? So what could the answers? Within 2 seconds, you can write the answer for some of these 10 numbers. Can you write this answer for these questions? Can I write? Yes. So how should you do it actually? Now let us understand. So remember the trick is always write. Actually what you have to do, always you have to look at the first number. So first number is 106. So just you need to add, always you have to add 4. You have to add 4 with the first numbers. I am making you to understand, that is why it is taking time. So when you add 4 with the first number, what could be the answer? You will get 110. Understand? So 110 you got it. So right here 110. Okay. So next number of 4. Next number of 4 will be 5. So that 5 you have to write here. See how it is easy. So while you are looking this kind of questions, you can do it in a very quick manner, right? So you can write 1105 will be the sum of these 10 numbers. So and remember it, this trick only can be applied if the number, how many numbers should be given? 10 numbers should be given in increasing order or decreasing order. Okay, so here if you count the numbers, it will be total 10. So 106 to 115. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 numbers. Only if you add 10 numbers, any numbers you can. It is like a universal trick, I would say. Okay, any numbers you can write, but now that must be 10 numbers. Okay, so last questions. Let you try it quickly. Okay, last question, you try it. Okay, let's say this is the question they have given, for example. Okay, I'm writing, you try it. 5,000. Okay, Let's say it is 10 number or no, 1, 2. Okay, now this is total. Now add this total number. Okay, 5055, 5056, 5057 until 5064. You have to add total numbers. So you have to use calculator perhaps, right? Calculator is not required. Within 2 seconds, you just write the answer. What did I say? So always look at the first number and add 4. Always you have to add 4. Understand? So when you add 4, you'll get here 950. So this answer you write it here. 5059. And then what I say, normally just write at the last 5. I mean, next number of 4 will be 5. That 5 you write here. So this is the answers. 50,595 is the sum of these given numbers. Okay, so how is it easy? So in this way you can actually add it. This is the first tricks. Okay, let us move on to the next tricks. Trick number 2. Okay, trick number 2 is also interesting. When you will be given, for example, so what is trick number 2? If you are asked to find the sum of the first 10 numbers, okay, first 10 number, for example, 1, 2, 3, and dot 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 until 10 numbers. Okay, you can find just before first tricks you can apply, or this is also universal tricks. What you do, look at the last number and just divide by 2. Last number is 10, you divide by 2, you'll get 5. Okay, so write here 5 and another 5 also you have to write it. Understand? Repeat the same 5 2 times. Clear? Repeat the number. So 55 will be the right answer if you add first 10 numbers. Okay, so how do you add first 100 number? Because directly the question also can be asked you. So what is the answer of first? What is the sum of the first 100 numbers? First 100 numbers. Okay, first 100 numbers, let's suppose it is up to 100. What is the answer? What do you have to do? You have to look at the last number. Last number is 100. So you have to divide. This 100 must be divided by 2. When you divide 100 by 2, you'll get 50. Okay, repeat another 50. So answer will be 50 and repeat the same number 50 again. So answer will be 50, 50. I mean 5050. Okay, so how this tricks? Is it nice? It is fun. It is exciting. Obviously, it's really enjoyable. I really enjoy myself by doing these tricks. So let us move on to the next questions. Maybe if you ask to find the sum of the first 1,000 number, first 1,000 number probably. Okay, how do you find it? So first 1,000 number same, last number you have to look at it, divide by 2 and repeat the same number. So first 1,000 number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 until 1,000 number. If you add total, so what will you get? It will take really such a huge or long times, maybe 2 hours for using calculator one by one number by adding this. Okay, 1 you have to add with 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 until 1,000. So why can't we learn these tricks? These tricks will give you within 2 seconds answers. Okay, what you look at, sorry, look at the last number. Last number is 1,000. So divide by 2 simply. 1,000, if you divide by 2, you will get 500. Okay, so write here 500 and repeat the same number again. So again 500. So what is the answers? Number 3. Trick number 3 is for some of the square number, some of the square numbers. You have to find answers and some of the or square of odd numbers also. Let's suppose here, let me write it. Some of the square number, how do you find it? Here, for example, 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, and 8 square. What is the answer of these questions, for example? So what traditionally you have to find the square of 2, then 4, and then 6, and then 8. But what you do here, you are not going to do in a traditional way, just directly you have to write. So look at it, the last number is 8. 8, next number of 8 is 9, next number of 9 is 10. Okay, that's all. And then just divide by 6. So 6, how can divide? So 2 3 times, 2 4 times, 3 1 times, 3 3 times. Understand? So 4 3 times will be 12. 12 into 10, 120 will be the answer. Isn't it? If you add traditional way, so 2 square is 2 4. Okay, 4 square will be 16. Then 6 square will be 36, and 8 square will be 64. Okay, so you will get same answer, right? If you add it, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 4 is 0 20, and 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, so 10 plus 2 12. So now answer will be same, 121. Two way you can try it. Okay, so next, it is only for even square number. Trick is, look at the last number and extend until next two numbers and multiply divided by 6. Always you have to divide with 6. Next is for odd, no, some of the odd square number. Some of the odd square number, same tricks. You have to look at the last number and write the next two numbers and divide it with 6. Okay, you tell me. Odd number square. For example, 1 square, 1 is an odd number, 3 square, 5 square, and 7 square. Okay, this is odd number square. Find the addition of these questions. Okay, traditional way you have to find each square and then lastly you have to add it, but you are not going to do like this. You just follow up, you are following the shortcut tricks. So what you have to do, I told you the last number you have to look at it. Last number is 7. Write 7 as it is, and next number of 7 and next number of 8 also you have to write. So next number of 7 is actually 8. Multiply here. Next number of 8 will be 9. So that also should be multiplied. And always you have to divide with 6. 6 one time you cannot get, so you divide with 3. 3 2 times 6, 3 3 times is 9. Understand? 2 1 time, 2 4 time. So 4 3 times is equal to 12. 12 into 7. So answer will be 84. Traditional way, if you like to do, even you can do it. 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, 5 square 25, so 7 square is 49. So if you add this total number, you'll get the same 84. Understand? So this is the way how you actually do the additions. Thank you for watching this video. Maybe next times let me come up with the other math tricks. So hopefully this video might have helpful and you might have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.